Hey everyone, let's discuss another arithmetic averages question from the official GMAT. So here we have been told that there is a matrix, a 10 row, 10 column matrix, and in that matrix you have certain entries. The entries can either be a 9 or it can be a 10, and there is a condition specified for every row there is for every row n there is n minus 1 nines that is present in that row. So for instance, if it is the first row, there is 1 minus 1 0 nines that is there. Second row you will have 1 9, third row you will have 2 9, fourth row you will have 3 9, so on and so forth. So we've been asked, what is the average of all this 100 digits that is going to be entered in this 10 by 10 matrix. So just to look at how the matrix will look like. So the first row will have all tens because there would be 0 nines. The second row will have 1 9 and the remaining would be 10. The third row will have 2 nines and the remaining would be 10. And if you come to the last row, you will see there will be 9 nines and there will be 110. So ideally that is the 10th row, and you will have 10 minus 1 nines, which is 9 nines and 110. So now we have to find what is the number of nines that is present and what is the number of tens that is present, and what is the sum of the digits that is going to be there. So to add or to find the sum of the digits, we take the number of nines and the number of tens separately. So in number of nines, we see that the second row has 1, the third row has 2, the fourth row has 3, and the last row has 9. So it is 1 into 9 plus 2 into 9 plus 3 into 9 up to 9 into 9. I take 9 common outside, and then you see that you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9, which is an arithmetic progression. Similarly, for number of tens, the first row has 10 tens and the last row has 1 10. So you will have the number of tens to be equal to 10 into 1 plus 10 into 2 up to 10 into 10. If I take 10 common outside, it will be 10 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 10, which is again an arithmetic progression. So we know that when there is a number 1 plus 2 up to n, then it is n into n plus 1 by 2 would be the sum of all the digits in that sequence. So here we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 9. So the sum of digits for that sequence would be 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2, which is 9 into 10 by 2. So the number of nines will be equal to 9 into the sum of the progression, which is 9 into 10 by 2. So you get 405. Similarly, the number of tens will be 10 into the sum of the progression, which is n into n plus 1 by 2, or in this case 10 into 10 plus 1 by 2, or 10 into 11 by 2. So here you get 550 as the answer. So summing both this up, you get the sum of all digits in this 10 by 10 matrix is 955. So average here would be 955 divided by 100, which is 9.55. And why take 100? Because you have 100 boxes in this 10 by 10 matrix. So your answer is option C, 9.55.